Hi, my name is Cosmas and welcome to my video. For a while now, I've not been uploading tutorial videos due to some reasons, but I'm back and better. And in this video, I'll be showing us how to link a custom domain to our Webflow website. To do this, we'll be needing two things, which is a site plan and a custom domain, which you can get from Squarespace. And on our Webflow website, we'll go to publishing to add our custom domain to it. By clicking on this add a custom domain, manually add domain. Here we'll paste the domain that we just bought from Squarespace. Let's say is abc.com that we bought from Squarespace. But because I have one already, I will not be adding another domain. But I will show us what we'll get after clicking on this add domain. This is what we get. This DNS record is what we get after clicking on add domain. And we'll copy all this DNS record to our Squarespace domain. On this our Squarespace domain, we click on add record. After clicking on this add record, we'll get this input field to add our record. If we check the DNS record we have here, we have for the A, for the TST and the CNAME. These are the things we will copy. As you can see, we have type to be A, we have name to be at, and the value to be this IP address. And the next one we have type to be TST, the name to be underscore webflow dot www, and the next one. These are the things we copy to our Squarespace domain. On the type, we select A, the name, change it to at, the priority, we leave it as it is, and the TTL, we leave it as it is. For the IP address we copied, we just paste it here. Let's say the 198.88.20.2. Then we click on save. But because I have this DNS record already, I will not be adding this to it. Let me just discard and go back to our Webflow website. On the Webflow website, after adding those DNS record, we'll click on this verify domain. This might take up to like 2 hours or less for this to link together. After linking the domain name to our Webflow, we'll be getting this. We'll get active and connected. And on our editor, we'll go to publish. And on the publish, we'll publish to this selected domain, like the domain that we bought from the Squarespace. We're publishing our website to the domain that we bought from Squarespace. I've not been publishing again because I have it published already to that particular domain. And this is how we can add our custom domain to our Webflow website. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.